Hey there, YouTubers. While I've got you on here and got your attention, I want to thank all my viewers. I had 64,000 views last year, which is phenomenal for it being just over a year-old channel. We're coming up on year 2 anniversary this next April. Anyway, I broke the first part on my Boardwalk Junior. And what you're looking at is the cam arm, which operates the log dog. And this part, what I did was I broke a weld, and that was welded on part. So I'm gonna repair it. Obviously, I fatigued it. It wasn't really from an improper weld. It could have been a little deeper on the penetration, but I'll see what I can do on re-welding it. While I'm at it, I'm going to modify it a little bit, and I'll show you guys the modifications. I'll be right back. And it's magically fixed. Let me tell you what I did, folks. I've got gloves on because this thing's still pretty hot from welding. I ground the handle. I left one corner where it met, so I'd keep the alignment where it was originally. But basically, I did a V-groove on both sides of this handle, and actually there was a couple of bumps on this piece. So when they fit together, there was a little bit of space, and I wanted that little bit of space because I welded it with pipe rod, which is designed to be a extreme penetrator. It melts all the way through and fills in gaps. So I welded it with pipe rod, and then on the back side I went and dressed that weld with some 7014. And I don't think this one's going to break anytime soon because it should have a really deep weld. Anyway, the other thing I did is I shortened the handle. I took 1 inch off the handle, which is still enough to grab it, but I also put a hole in it. So I know I'm getting rid of a little bit of leverage by getting rid of that 1 inch, but I want to tie a rope to it. So while the rope will not give me more leverage per se, it will make it more comfortable to pull, as opposed to being awkward and down kind of close to the ground. It should make things a little bit easier, but it will also stay out of the way. The reason I shortened this by 1 inch, I found that when you were trying to close the log dog, if you're doing a big log and say your track, let me get these, if your track was running over here, that this the log dog would very often catch on the track and it wouldn't allow you to open it or manipulate it. So anyway, got some cool sawmill and videos coming up, folks, including a 32 inch diameter walnut, as well as some more modifications. Okay, folks, here it is with the handle attached. Nice thing is I can get some leverage. We'll walk over here, and the original here, you can see that extra foot. The main problem is when it's locked down way down here, it's pretty uncomfortable to try and unlock it with your hand. You're bending over, it's kind of tight. So this, you just have to reach down, grab the handle, and then you can pull it straight up, which is way better than having to try to pull it out while you're way down low. Anyway, there's the finished thing. Hope you guys like. Please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.